How to build more backlinks using social proof. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to build more backlinks using social proof. So let's get started. First, you need to understand what is social proof and how it helps us build more backlinks. Social proof is a proof that we give to our reporters, to a website, that we are actually legit and we are professional, so that they create backlinks to our website. In simple words, it's just like when you ask someone to do something for you and you are a complete stranger, they might not do it or they will feel unsecure doing it. So we give a social proof. We show them our website, our LinkedIn, our social media, so that they have a social proof of our existence and they will know us, and then they will trust us to actually create backlinks. This is one of the techniques that really helps us build more backlinks, and it gives us more traffic to our website, and eventually we can make more money. So let's get into it. What are the different ways we can increase our backlinks using social proof? So the first way is going to be our website. You need to create a website if you are into any category. If you create backlinks, if you have a business, then you require a professional website. You can create a website on WordPress, Wix, then you can create a website on Squarespace. Any website you have, you just need to create a professional website. So I have opened up a test website that I have on WordPress. So on WordPress, I will suggest creating a website with S-Ray. It's a good theme. Make sure to choose the right theme for your website. After that, and then you can add your gallery and about us. About us page is actually really important. So what I want you guys to do is, if you already have a website and if you do not have an about us page where you have all the information about you, then go ahead and create a page like that, so that it helps you with your social proof. So all you need to do is just create an about us page. In your about us page, what you can do is you can add your images. Make sure to add your photo, because whenever we see someone, we can trust them better. We haven't seen anyone, so that's like really simple. Make sure to add images, videos, gallery, buttons. You can create like your own portfolio website as well, and to add your social icons here and create a professional about us page, so that when you approach a reporter, when you approach a website, you have a social proof through your website. They will check out your website and they will know that, okay, this person is a professional and they have their own website, and they will know you better. This helps us get more backlinks, and we can improve the SEO of our website, and it will help my website rank higher. Next way you can work on your social proof is going to be using a third party tool. You can use a social media manager to create a link, and what I do personally is Linktree. Simply go to Linktree. There are already a lot of videos on this channel how to use Linktree and how you can get started. It's a free platform, and it allows us to create one URL, one link, and then we can add our social media, our LinkedIn's, our Twitter, our website, and this will help me, share it, and this will help me create my social proof. So if you're looking for a platform to just create like one link with all of the accounts connected, then you can use Linktree. How Linktree works is you can sign up for free. Once you sign up, then you add your different platforms and you can create links, and you have one profile on Linktree. You have one URL, whatever you have added, your YouTube, Twitter, Spotify, your websites, your e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, so you can add them here. There are other platforms too, such as buffer.com or Sprout Social, any social platform that provides you, that allows you to add your social media and gives you your social proof that will help you. Or otherwise, you can actually share your, links separately. You can add like your Instagram separately to your WordPress, your Twitter separately on your WordPress website. But I will suggest creating one link, one URL, so that they get a better idea about all of the different platforms you are available on, and it will give them a social proof, and it will help you build more backlinks. So go ahead and check out Linktree. Moving on, we have LinkedIn. If you are a business owner, if you are a CEO, if you are a manager, and you're in this this niche where you are getting jobs and you have a website and you write a blog, you write articles, you own a business, then you must have a LinkedIn account. If you do not have any, you can go ahead and create one by just going to linkedin.com. On LinkedIn, what we can do is we can create our own professional account, and that is, I think, one of the best way of proving yourself and giving a social proof about yourself, telling them about yourself, your connections, what work you have done, what is your education, what certificates you own. So LinkedIn is actually having a platform to prove your social identity, and it helps us a lot when it comes to our websites and our businesses. So make sure to create your LinkedIn account if you want to get more backlinks to your business. So you can create an account by just going to linkedin.com and sign up with your Google account. Once you create an account, then you can enter all of the information, and you can also add LinkedIn to your link tree if you want, or you can add it to your WordPress, or whenever you send them an email, you can also mention your LinkedIn account and they will get a better idea that, okay, this person, this is their LinkedIn and I can check it out. So they will check and they will be able to see the companies you have worked with and everything. And this is actually one of the most effective social proof methods that I have seen. So go ahead and create your LinkedIn account for a social proof to build more backlinks. The next method is going to be creating a business email. So if you have a simple Gmail account, it is okay, but if you have a website, you want to create backlinks, you are working on the SEO professionally, you have all these tools, you have a big business, you're running an e-commerce on internet, on Google, then what you need to do is you should create a business email account instead of a simple Gmail. So you can get a business account for on different platforms and you have to pay for that. Sometimes it's not free, but you can also get a free business account. You can just use, I think, G Suite. G Suite is actually going to be really easy for you guys. So you can actually go to your Google and in Google Apps create a G Suite account in which you will be getting your own business email. So that's going to be a business email, and if you send a pitch, if you build backlinks through Harrow, then you will have a professional business account when you send an email. So we talk through email when we connect through our websites to different high authority backlink websites. So what we can do is we connect them through our email, and that's the first impression they see. If your email is not a business email, then of course they will not get a social proof that, okay, this person is legit and they have a professional business account. So make sure to do that, and you can add that email to your LinkedIn, and it really helps us. If you already have a business, then I assume you already have a business email, so that actually helps, and that is a very good thing that you have done. So make sure to have a business email so that it helps you with the social proof of your website, of your business on social media, on the internet, so that if a website approaches you and if a high authority backlink is being created, they will trust you and actually refer you to other websites as well. So this is a very effective and proven method to generate and to build high authority backlinks. And now I think you have a better idea. I explained to you in very simple words, and I showed you different ways you can do it for free. You don't need to buy anything, invest anything, or create a lot of accounts and third-party tools. You can do it on your simple website, and you can use maybe Linktree, which is completely free, use LinkedIn and your G Suite to create a business email. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.